Marsaskala is a very nice small town on the southeast of Malta. We visited Marsaskala from the main bus station of Malta by public transport, and it was very pleasant and relaxed 40 minutes long journey. We started our exploring Marsaskala in front of the small sandy St. Thomas beach, and like many other urban areas in Malta, there is a lack of beaches. And so beside this beach there is also one small sandy beach, and that's all what you can expect if you are searching for the beach in the Marsaskala. Walking along this beautiful promenade with a very nice park on the left side and many kids playing, people walking and running, we came to the tourist attraction called St. Thomas Bay. Although it is everywhere written that you can reach it only by boat, we came here, as you can see, by walking. It is an amazing place with crystal clear water, and in 2003 American amateur archaeologist Bob Cornuck caused a controversy with the statement written in his book The Lost Shipwreck of St. Paul, where he claimed that Paul the Apostle had been shipwrecked in St. Thomas Bay in Marsaskala. Although his claim has never been confirmed, it remained as a controversy because some texts of old Christian area claim that St. Paul had a shipwreck just at the place which looks like St. Thomas Bay. Discovery of 4 identical Roman ship anchors found in the bay during 1960s makes that this controversy remains until these days. St. Thomas Tower was built in late 1565 in times of great siege of Malta, and it was built by the great master of Malta. Final Maltese victory over Ottomans was in 1614, and when Ottoman ships carrying 6,000 soldiers attacked just at Marsaskala. Here you can see salt pans. I don't know if they are something that remains from the history or if they are still used. And this beautiful promenade is a little bit ruined just around the St. Thomas Tower, because one extremely big hotel from the Libyan company was built and then abandoned, so it waits for the reconstruction. Marsaskala is situated in 2 bays. Here is the big one with a small fishing port, and the name Marsaskala comes from Marsaskala, that means Marsa means bay, and Skala probably means steps that were made in the stones at the entrance of the port in the history. Or maybe it means small bay. Looking to the language of original language of Malta, name Marsaskala means valley of springs, because of 2 springs that in the older times used to finish their journey in this beautiful bay of Marsaskala. Marsaskala consists of basically 3 parts. Older one, and on the left side you can see the beginning of a new part of Marsaskala. About 12,000 people live in this city. In the summertime this number increases to about 20,000. New part of the city is modern, not built in a traditional way with wider streets. It solves the problem of parking that's very common in Malta. Here you can see the church of St. Anna. It's built in 1950, but it is a great piece of architecture that must be seen. At Malta, almost every village has its own church. This church is not built in a characteristic way and style of old Malta, but the other churches mostly are, and it needed a big amount of creativity from the builders, because each of these churches, if you look carefully, is unique and different from the others. Now we are already in the center of Malta. This promenade here becomes the main pedestrian street, and in this street you can find some restaurants and small bars, and it is the central meeting point of the citizens of Marsaskala. Marsaskala is not on the tourist maps of tourist buses that drive around along Malta, and for me it's not understandable, because as you can already see, it is a very nice city worth of visiting. As we could see, many citizens of Malta have their own boats. Some of them use them for the professional fishing, the others for the recreation, and I think it's a good way to go to the open sea and to swim, because of a lack of the beaches. Many of those ships are out of the water in the winter time, and we visited Marsaskala in winter time. Although it was very sunny, the temperature was about 20 degrees centigrade. Here you can see beautiful church of St. Anna. Humans inhabited this area since prehistory. Early Christian catacombs as well as Roman remains were discovered in Marsaskala, and it's suggesting that Marsaskala was also a Roman port. Marsaskala is very well connected by public transport with the capital of Valeta. Almost every half an hour there is a bus which goes there. Here you can see a new part of Marsaskala with modern architecture. And we finished our journey just at the point where we have started, and just across you can see the cliffs of Marsaskala, and one of the next videos will present those cliffs and the beautiful nature, extraordinary places which goes from the walking trail that starts at Marsaskala and finishes at amazing fishing village Marsaskala. At beautiful Marsaskala Promenade you can enjoy also in fantastic sunset. Thank you for following us and visit Marsaskala.
Amore.